What is up, YouTube? You guys, I know I've been gone. It's been so much going on, so many updates to give you guys. And yeah, while you're here, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and follow your girl on Instagram at the real queen Trae'C, at Curvaceous22, and the Curvaceous collection. On Instagram, it's the with 2 E's _ CC collection. Now let's get into this video.
How they used to talk about me, but now my name all in their searches now. Pretty in the face, little in the waist. I talk my shit, I get cocky. These bitches want beat me, these bitches can't see me. Got CC all over my body. Killing bitches is a hobby.
Alright, welcome back, you guys. So today, I just want to have like a little business chit chat, you know, check in with you guys, see how your businesses are going, see how everything is playing out for you guys. I have been MIA, your girl has been gone, but so much has been going on with the business, with us relaunching and changing our processing time to 2 to 5 business days has been very hectic for us. We are running out of stock quicker than we can order. That's great to hear, but at the same time it's kind of annoying because you have customers that are calling, emailing, DMing, oh, when you guys want to restock, when you guys want to do this. So you guys, so our plan is always to restock at least once a week. We order every week, but you guys know, still with the COVID going on, also with other different issues that are going on across seas, stuff still is taking time. If you guys don't know, we have transitioned over to using UPS only. We do not work with the postal service. The only thing we work with the postal service would be our Etsy store, which needs to be restocked as well. I did hire 2 more employees, so my staff is 3 strong, 4 including me. We did move into a bigger building. I don't know if you guys knew that. I don't think I gave YouTube the new tour of the new facility. We're constantly growing. Our handbag collection is growing. We have lashes, we have bundles, we have so much more to offer you guys now. I'm still working on the clothing line, but I launched the accessory part of the Curvaceous collection, which is our handbag collection, which has been doing numbers and tremendously growing. I wanted to get on here today to talk to you guys just about how to maneuver your business, how to keep your audience engaged, a few apps that you guys can use that can be helpful for you during this time, because people are still shopping, but people are kind of being cautious on what they spend money on. So having prices that are not too high, still affordable, and for you to make a profit. So the first thing I want to talk about is a marketing tool that you guys should use for your business, which is Canva. Most businesses use Canva, honestly. I've seen a few people use the same templates that I have used. Canva is very popular in the small business community. It is free. I do pay for the upgraded Canva to use different fonts and whatnot, but for the most part, Canva basically is free. It's a great marketing tool. I may insert some clips of me just perusing and scrolling through to show you guys what it looks like. Canva, you can also make your business cards and your thank you cards on Canva. Canva cards are affordable. We personally use and print with Canva for our business cards and also for our thank you cards. So that is one thing I think you guys should check into. They have motion moving photos and clips, and they have stuff you can use just for your Insta story. They have stuff you can use just for your Instagram posts altogether. They have Facebook, YouTube banners, anything you can think of, they have it as far as marketing wise. So I felt that is one of the great and tremendous items that you guys should use the first time in your small business. Number 2, it is imperative that you guys know your target market. I feel like I preach about target markets all the time on my channel, but I feel like that's a part of business that a lot of people are lacking first starting out. You have to know who you're targeting in order to know what products are going to sell and what products are not going to sell. I've been preaching in my jewelry 101 classes and also my business 101 courses that a target market is so important that if you don't have one, that can be an issue or a crippling factor of why you're not making as many sales as you can, or why you're not extending and making plenty of money or growing followers, because you don't have a steady target market. You can't be selling costume jewelry to people who are 40 and 30 years old. They want something that's going to last, it's going to look good, it's going to last, not too much of a flashy. So you also have to always take all this stuff in consideration when doing your business, no matter if you're doing hair, bundles, clothes, shoes, bangles, whatever it is, you have to have a target market. I appreciate you guys plenty of times. I hope it sinks in this time. Number 3, budgeting is important. That's something I've learned along the way, but budgeting is something that I really had to put forth when we switched to an in-stock online store. It was easier when we was on pre-order. Okay, we can order once a week. We know we made this X amount of sales, and we know how much it's going to cost for us to flip it. Now it's more of a, okay, we made this, say we made 10K in sales, okay, for that week, which is awesome, amazing. But then we turn around and think about, okay, we still got to put a back order in. We still got to reorder some more charms for the following week so we don't lose footing. And that's the thing about us transitioning over. It has been hard for us to balance, making sure we have enough inventory, because we're selling what we have, but then we do have customers that come in, all want to shop in store, all want to do this, all want to do that, all want to pick up. When I come pick up, can I, oh, y'all cannot pick up. When I pick up, can I come and pick up certain things? And I'm the type of person, I try to give my customers everything they ask for. We are still a small team, and we're still training our 2 new employees. So mistakes are going to happen. Things are going to happen with the orders. But you have to hold everyone accountable. And that's something that I'm working on as a business owner, is holding people accountable. I'm not the type to be down on one's throat, complaining over their back, saying what they're doing, saying what they're not doing. I'm not that type of boss. I'm not that type of owner. But that's something that I'm going to have to start doing, because miscellaneous mistakes are affecting my business and my brand. So it is imperative that you set in different security cautions. Like now, if you guys have not noticed, if you purchase from us, you have a signature on the top of every packaging slip. It will be the initials of whoever packed your order. That is always going to be there from now on. So if something is wrong with your order, I tell my employees to triple check, double check, quadruple check the order before you send it out. Quality checks, make sure everything that's on the packaging slip is in the box or in the polymer. So if something does come up, okay, boom, we know Angel packed it and we're missing a pack of charms. Now it's time to go to Angel to find out, why did that happen? What it transpired for you to forget to pack that person's order? That's holding everyone accountable for their mistakes. That's something that's challenging for me. I usually just brush it off, you know, oh, it's a learning experience, but it costs us money, especially when it's transition over to UPS. Honey, UPS shipping is not cheap, sis. So if I have to resend a customer an order via UPS, that's another $12 or $10 that's coming out of my pocket, coming out of the business money, not so much coming out of that person's order, because they pay for their initial shipping. But if something is wrong, we either gonna have to ship it out or we're gonna have to refund you. So that's money that's coming out of the business pocket, coming out of my pocket. So my employees will be held accountable for that. So if you guys have had any issues and you guys have emailed us, that's why it's imperative when you do email us to make sure that you include your packaging slip, because it's about holding people accountable of what they're doing. Our job is clean cut and simple, you know, so it shouldn't be that hard. But even when you're just started, if you do have help, it is imperative to hold everyone accountable, because if you're the owner, you're the face, they're going to say, oh, well, Tracy didn't do this. Oh, Tracy's business this. Not so much of your employee's name, because what, they're a brand, they're a part of the brand. So you have to make sure that it's something that you translate to your employees, to people that's helping you, if your mom helping you, whoever is helping you. Make sure you guys let them know that at the end of the day, you are representing my company. So stuff has to be done right, because where it falls back on me. So yes, number 3, I would say hold everyone accountable. Hold yourself accountable. That's something I have to do. I do it all the time. I'm very hard on myself when it comes to stuff when we don't. And I set a financial goal for every week. If we do not meet that financial goal, I promise you guys, I have an attitude. I beat up myself. Well, maybe I could have did this. Maybe could have had a sale. Maybe could have gave free shipping. Anything to drive sales is what I believe in. I do plan on getting my master's in marketing soon. So that's something that I'm trying to work on now. Also, you guys want to run this idea by you guys. I do want to start a podcast with me and another female entrepreneur that's out here grinding. I have a business meeting with her on Tuesday to figure out if that's something that we can do together. I believe in giving you guys tips. I believe in encouraging you all to start your own businesses. This is the time, sis. Start your own business, be your own boss. You don't have to quit your job, but also have another income. If the corona has not taught you guys anything, it's to have more than one income, because it's hard out here when stuff going awry. People are getting laid off, all this stuff. If you have a small business that's in your back pocket that you are saving the money for, or money that you're just putting up in the savings account that you make from it, it all matters, because one day something may happen. You may lose your job, or another pandemic may happen, or the pandemic may continue and you have to stop working, or the pandemic can get worse and you have to stop working. You have to have other money incomes, other streams to keep you and your family stable. That's one thing that the corona has taught me, was to make sure that I have more than one income. That's why I'm pushing Forex. That's why I'm pushing stocks. That's why I'm pushing to YouTube. I told myself that I got to get back into YouTube. I have to. It is mandatory. Because why? It's another stream of income. It may be a good $50 or $100 a month, but it's like $50 or $100 that I didn't have to my name. So you have to think of every income as great income. It doesn't matter how little, how much. Another strand of income can still help you. That's why we started the Etsy store. That's a whole nother strand of income. Our Etsy store is more so of our Etsy store is more of our discontinued store. So it's items that we really don't sell in our mainstream anymore, or items that we have discontinued for various reasons that are, you know, important to our business and our brand. So we push them on Etsy. We offer them to you guys on Etsy. Beads. We offer color trays, all that good stuff. So just think about when you have your business, it's another strand of income. It is amazing. It is great to be a business owner. I feel good waking up every morning to go to my office that I own, for me to come here and do my job for you guys. So just take this whole video may seem all over the place, but I just want to have like a good little quick business talk with you guys. I do appreciate you guys who have been sticking by me, who have been DMing me, girl, when you gonna drop on the YouTube video, girl, when you gonna do this, girl, when you gonna do that. I promise you guys things are in the works. And if we get this podcast off the ground, I will be recording it live for YouTube. And we will also find a podcast station to syndicate it to you guys as well. I'm all about women empowerment. I'm all about helping women become entrepreneurs. If there are more women entrepreneurs out here than men, look at the statistics, look at all that. You can be someone. You can be the next millionaire. You can be the next CEO of a big name brand. That you can turn your own brand into a big name brand, you guys. The sky's the limit with owning your own business. Yes, it's stressful. Yes, it costs money. It takes money to make money. Sometimes you gotta walk out on the risk and just do it. I am here for you guys no matter what. If you guys ever have questions, feel free to email me. I will be taking questions once we get the podcast up and running. I will be taking questions from you guys in the comments and just giving me content for the podcast. I hope you guys will tune into our podcast. Hopefully I can be dropping more details by my next YouTube video for you guys. My goal is to launch it in September. Excuse me. So hopefully I can get everything all together for you guys in this podcast. I'm very excited. I love talking to you guys. I love interacting with you all. So if we can have a podcast where you guys can interact with us, like, that will be amazing. I don't know if I'm going to start a whole fresh YouTube channel for the podcast. I don't know if I want to start from scratch or just use my already built platform and just push it through there. So if you made it to the end of this video of your girl just talking and running her mouth, go ahead and drop below. Well, let's see. The little emoji, like, yes, emoji. The 2-hand clap, or give your girl a thumbs up. Whatever hand emoji you guys want to post below, post it below in the description bar. I promise you guys I will work on more content for you all. I'm trying to get this recording 3 days a week situation. At the end of the video, I'm going to give you guys a quick little look into the office, into our workspace, and how we do things. Just so you guys can see the new space. Don't mind if it's junky. I mean, it's the beginning of the work week, so we have stuff everywhere. Okay. But I love you guys again. Thank you so much for tuning in. Remember to follow all the social media below. Your girl's gonna try to pump out more content. My goal is I may can get this video up tonight, which is Monday. So hopefully it shouldn't be much editing to this, so I can go ahead and get it up and get it out for you guys. So I love you guys so much. See you in the next video. Bye.